Whoa!
Andile! Whoa! Stop that. Get out of there. Get your ass out of there. Our child done fucked herself up. That was the one who's going to end up in the hospital one day. What, changing him? Oh, I didn't get his wee-wees or nothing. Hello, mi vida. Hello, mi vida. Look at you, Dada. Look at Grandma's big boy. Look at you. Kenny Papa changed.
Oh, shit. Mom, for real, stop recording.
He sees me. Look, he's following me. Dimitri. Dimitri. What is Grandma's big boy doing? What is Grandma's big boy doing? Look at my special baby. What Grandma smile? What Grandma smile? What Grandma smile, Daddy? Oh, he wants his binky now. Oi. Look, he's sucking on them fingers. That's why.
Here. Look. No.
Oh, he liked that fingers.
Yeah, I knew he was gonna start getting a hold of his fingers.
He's getting there.
Yeah, he's gonna get a hold of his thumb one day. You know what I mean?
Yeah. He chuckled, baby. Look at him, looking at his daddy.
I don't think he wants it.
You don't want it, big boy. You don't want it. What my baby? What my baby doing? What my daddy? Look at the big eyes. Look at the big eyes. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Hi, show. What my big boy doing? What? Tell Grandma everything they do, Daddy. I beat them all up. Grandma, tell me I beat them all up real quick. Yeah, my big boy, look at you. Look at you, so handsome. Look at my little puppy over here. Say hi, my puppy. Mama, look at me. Oreo, say hi, my puppy.
Hi, puppy.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, my babies.